The Kosori electric gooseneck kettle blends advanced functionality with sleek design, making it an essential tool for those who value precision in their brewing routine. With a 0.8-liter capacity, it efficiently meets the needs of pour-over coffee enthusiasts. Its 1200-watt heating element ensures quick boiling while maintaining accuracy to within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, thanks to an intelligent base with a built-in temperature control program. Gone are the days of awkward setups and clunky gear. The Lawn Chariot transforms how you approach outdoor lounging and gear hauling with a smart, compact design that moves when you do. With its fold-and-go structure, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Built for portability, it folds down fast and fits neatly in your trunk. As a wagon, it hauls coolers, chairs, and more across grass, sand, or pavement with ease. When it's time to relax, flip it into a sturdy, ergonomic chair designed for comfort without compromise. Transform your training space with a smart bench that adapts to your goals. The Gym Pad bench compresses full gym functionality into a foldable, low-profile design that fits easily in apartments, home offices, or spare rooms. Its compact size hides serious power, offering up to 176 pounds of adjustable resistance for progressive strength workouts without clutter. Engineered as an all-in-one system, this bench supports a wide range of exercises including flat, incline, and decline presses, rowing motions, and core training. Cradled in mid-air, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orizi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. Mastering the piano is now within reach for anyone, regardless of experience. Gone are the days when learning required years of formal lessons or an expensive teacher. Today, you can quickly become proficient with smart accompaniment through an intuitive app that helps you play effortlessly, even with just one hand. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some knowledge, this innovative method allows you to play complex piano pieces with ease. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. Elevate your creative process with the DAPT key, a powerful tool designed for those who value efficiency and precision. With 20 fully customizable keys and 5 versatile knobs, this device provides seamless control over your workflow, allowing you to switch between up to 10 different software commands effortlessly. Its sleek OLED display offers clear, real-time feedback, ensuring you're always in the know, whether you're working on intricate designs or complex projects. The Chincata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Elevate your home's atmosphere with a sleek, modern frame that blends timeless design with digital convenience. The PhotoShare 8-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame in black wood delivers elegance and function, displaying cherished memories in vivid 1080p HD on a responsive touchscreen. Built to hold over 5,000 photos thanks to its 8GB internal memory, this frame transforms any space into a rotating gallery of personal moments. Living better begins at home. Ultra-Human Home advances home technology into new territory, delivering personalized environmental health insights to elevate how you live and rest. Sleek yet powerful, it monitors the crucial elements: air quality, temperature, humidity, light, and noise to reveal how your environment shapes your health. For the first time, home health data links directly to your lifestyle, identifying passive factors like PM, CO2, and formaldehyde that impact your health over time. With a design inspired by a submarine, this humidifier brings a unique blend of style and functionality to any room. Its sleek, compact body stands out with a vivid color scheme that adds a touch of elegance, while the carefully crafted details enhance its visual appeal. The humidifier is not just a piece of decor, but a practical addition to your home. In the world of high-performance audio gear, few options match the blend of comfort and durability offered by these open-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones. Powered by Bluetooth 5.2, you'll enjoy a stable, lag-free connection with low latency, perfect for calls or streaming music on the move. With an impressive 30 hours of playtime on a full charge, you'll get through the entire week without scrambling for a charger. The WowStick 1 F Plus is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver precision and convenience. Its miniature size makes it ideal for delicate tasks, offering a streamlined solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The tool features an all-metal one-piece construction, ensuring durability and a solid feel while you work. Whether you're assembling electronics, performing repairs, or working on craft projects, this lightweight device is perfect for handling intricate screws with ease. Few docking stations rival the raw capability packed into the Anker Prime TB5. It's not just about ports, it's about performance, speed, and control. Designed to meet the most demanding workstation setups, this 14-in-1 powerhouse excels in transferring large files, powering multiple devices, and delivering crystal-clear display outputs. Move a 150GB file in just 25 seconds through its ultra-fast Thunderbolt 5 port, ideal for creators working with raw video or 3D rendering projects. Every second on the road demands attention. And now, there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. Carved from stainless steel and designed for urban commutes or backcountry escapes, the Lark Bottle Filtered brings advanced hydration tech into the palm of your hand. Engineered with nano-zero filtration, this bottle targets harmful substances with surgical precision, eliminating chlorine, lead, mercury, cadmium, particulates, and other heavy metals with every sip. The straw-integrated filter provides low-resistance sipping, making it effortless to hydrate on the move without sacrificing water quality. Imagine waking up to the cleanest water your home has ever known. Water that hasn't touched a truck, bottle, or municipal pipe. This advanced countertop filtration system delivers up to 2.5 gallons of revitalizing alkalized water every single day. Drawing inspiration from NASA technology, the unit combines a proprietary water filter with a double-layer air filtration system that uses carbon felt pre-filtering and twin UVC sterilization chambers for unmatched purification. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Boxblade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate. The dual rechargeable batteries provide lasting power, enabling Boxblade to tackle even the thickest boxes without slowing down. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines smartphone videography with its intelligent foldable design, offering seamless stabilization for a variety of content creators. Its built-in tripod and selfie stick features ensure versatility whether filming solo or with a group, allowing for smooth, professional shots. With AI-powered tracking capabilities, the Flow 2 Pro automatically locks onto subjects, following their movements with remarkable precision. Whether you're shooting a solo vlog or capturing multiple people in motion, this gimbal adapts to your needs, providing consistent results. Slip it into your trunk, carry it on your back, or stash it in a closet. This is portability without compromise. The Lake Pro bundle from Oru Kayak gives you unmatched versatility for spontaneous adventures, designed for serene excursions across calm lakes, gentle rivers, or scenic bays. This ultralight folding kayak offers an effortless solution for beginners and experienced paddlers who value speed, simplicity, and compact travel. Go from packed to paddling in under 5 minutes. Elevate every rep with intelligent design and unmatched adaptability. The Julu Smart Adjustable Dumbbells are engineered to meet the needs of both beginner lifters and seasoned athletes, replacing cluttered racks with a single precision-crafted solution. With a simple tap on the integrated LCD screen or a quick adjustment through the Julu mobile app, you can instantly shift between weights ranging from 6 pounds to 36 pounds. No manual switches, no wasted time. The STM Goods Charge Tree Go 3-in-1 portable wireless charging station offers an efficient and space-conscious solution for charging multiple devices. With key certification, it supports a wide range of devices including iPhones, Samsung/Android phones, AirPods, and Apple Watches. This wireless charger eliminates the need for separate cables, streamlining your charging experience. Designed for maximum convenience, the compact and foldable nature of the Charge Tree Go ensures it takes up minimal space, even in tight areas. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The Yafo Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices, phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. The Wakako Mini Presso NS2 is designed to redefine portable espresso brewing. Compact and efficient, this manually operated espresso maker is engineered for coffee lovers who seek quality on the go. With a modest 80 milliliter tank and a height of just 130 millimeters. The Mini Presso NS2 is light, weighing only 0.64 pounds, making it an ideal companion for travel or outdoor adventures. In a world where precision meets style, the Revolution R180S steps forward as the ultimate two-slice smart toaster. Designed with a vibrant full-color touchscreen, this powerhouse offers 6 preset bread algorithms, handling everything from artisan breads to frozen bagels with remarkable accuracy. Its brushed stainless steel body doesn't just elevate your kitchen style, it speaks to a refined taste for high-performance appliances. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks bleacher seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista Portable Smart Telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. Every inch of your space deserves a tool as dynamic as your lifestyle. Engineered for maximum utility, this ultra-compact powerhouse isn't just a vacuum. It's your on-demand cleaning companion, emergency air pump, and backup power source in one. At only 1.2 pounds, this sleek device delivers a remarkable 18 kilopascals of suction strength and spins up to an astonishing 93,000 revolutions per minute, conquering dust, debris, and even pet hair from tight corners in car interiors. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The XMars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever.